guys, so with the Supreme Stone Island collab dropping very soon, we're here at the Supreme store. It's confirmed for either the second week or the third week, but you're gonna wanna use the bot, the CopBot, to be able to secure all of that release and then any other release this season, such as the Swarovski box logos or future box logos or anything. You'll be able to secure anything from Supreme. All right guys, so pretty much to run down what we're gonna be doing in this video. We're in the Fairfax and Melrose area, and I'm gonna be telling you guys and explaining something cool. And I've been working with a specific company, specializes in a special Supreme bot. And so I'm gonna be explaining to you guys why you should get the bot, as well as what the bot has to offer and how it's gonna secure anything you want from Supreme for retail. Also in today's video, I am teaming up with the company CopBot, which is helping me sort of sponsor this video. And we're gonna be shopping for some Supreme stuff, and then I'm gonna be taking whatever I buy in my little shopping spree and giving it away to you guys. And all you're gonna have to do to win that is gonna be announced at the end of this video. So make sure you stay tuned so you see what's good with the bot, see what I buy, and then see how you can win everything that I buy. So with all that being said, we're gonna hit up a couple of my favorite stores right now, buy some dope Supreme stuff for you guys, and then we're gonna give it away. And I'm gonna explain to you guys why CopBot is the move if you want anything for retail from Supreme. Alright guys, so I want to show you some of my favorite pieces from the Stone Island collab that's dropping this Thursday, which is 4 days from now. It's a Monday right now. And they have like a parka. I don't know if I'm feeling the parka, but I am really feeling the hoodies and the vest. It's almost like a military vest. I think it's really sick, and to put that over a hoodie, or maybe over the parka, because it looks like they're wearing it over the parka. The shorts and the bag is fire too. So I'm gonna try to get all this stuff, and the only way I'm gonna be able to get it is by using CopBot. So I'm gonna explain and quickly run down what CopBot is and how CopBot works in case you guys aren't familiar with it yet. So if you guys didn't know, CopBot has a very high success rate, and here's just some of their success right here. They have success on every drop, and a lot of my fans actually use this bot now since I started mentioning it to you guys. And a lot of people that I know have had success with all these big drops on Supreme because CopBot never really fails, and it always secures whatever you want off the Supreme, off of any drop. It also helps a lot of my fans who are trying to be resellers because they're able to buy these things for retail and then resell it and make profit. So you can think of buying CopBot almost as an investment. That's why I really recommend to any young entrepreneurs or any young resellers, I think CopBot is a move. You buy it and then you'll have success on Supreme, and then you're able to make profit off of all these items. All right guys, so a lot of people have asked to see CopBot live in action, so I'm gonna be doing it right now. I'm pretty much gonna show you guys how this bot works. So we're here on the bot, I have it open. It's a Google Chrome extension, so it's like a plugin for Google Chrome, and I'm just gonna buy a pair of socks. You gotta pick the item basically off of the drop list, and then you add it and it makes it like a task. So we're gonna add a pair of these Supreme Hanes socks, a pack of 4. It's gonna let us add the task. We added it, and then we have the task right here, and it shows the pack of socks. Okay guys, so now we're gonna press this right here, and it's just loading on Supreme side. CopBot fills in all the information. It's literally instant like that, which is crazy. So there it is, I just got a pair of socks. That's just an example to show you guys how fast the bot works. It literally works faster than any human could type in anything. That's why it's important to use this on big drops that are gonna sell out super fast, because you're able to secure anything you want immediately. So that's that. CopBot does take a lot of customer feedback, and they're always trying to update and improve the bot, and they listen to all the problems that you guys have and fix them so you have the best user experience. And remember guys, once you pay the one-time fee at the beginning, it may seem like a lot, but you're never paying ever again, and you have the bot forever. And so if you guys know me, I'm not personally going after every drop because I usually just want the bigger releases or certain things that I like, but I use CopBot every other week usually when there's a drop that I like, and I always get what I want, which is why I'm telling you guys, if you don't have this bot, you're missing out. A couple things that I love about CopBot is they have an unlimited task feature that allows you to get as many items as you want of a certain product. And they also have built-in keywords for every drop multiple days before the drop even happens or is released. And one major thing with CopBot is they have a restock monitor, which actually helped one of my friends with the box logo crewneck release last year. But CopBot is constantly looking for restocks, and once a restock hits, they'll send notifications and also try to cop the things that you had on your tasks if you weren't able to get it before through a restock that nobody's gonna know about except for people using CopBot. So I'd really recommend that you guys get CopBot if you you don't already. Link will be down below to purchase it. You can also use my code to get a little money off. Now we're gonna go shopping for Supreme, and I'm gonna buy a bunch of stuff that I'm giving away to you guys. And thanks to CopBot for helping me sponsor this video to be able to do that. And let's go see what we're gonna pick up. Guys, so we're at the Cool right now, and I'm gonna be buying some stuff for you guys. Just a couple Supreme things that I teamed up with CopBot to give away to you guys. And all you guys are gonna have to do to win any of this stuff, well, it's gonna be announced at the end of the video, so you gotta stay tuned. But you're gonna have to do a couple things, follow a couple people. They have a bunch of Supreme things right here. This is some of the most expensive stuff. You can pull out the chain now. This is a leather nubsy. This is crazy. This is a crazy jacket as well. We shot in this, remember?
Yes, sir.
I'm thinking I get like a couple tees, a hoodie. I wanna have a variety so I can give away a couple things, you know? This is actually pretty fire. This is a Madonna tee. Let's see how much this is. 150 DS. I think this may be a move. I wanna get a couple different sizes so there's like, again, a variety for you guys. This is a gray Madonna tee. Gray or red, what do you think?
I'm thinking gray.
Gray?
Yeah, gray. Just because you can put that with any outfit.
So we're going with the gray Madonna tee. I saw this a while ago too. This is sort of fire.
Oh yeah, that's...
Maybe a self-cop. This is a Public Enemy shirt. This is sort of fire. Size large. What do you think about this? This is, I think this is new.
Yeah, I think that's nice.
I think this is nice.
Yep.
We'll get that, and then I'm thinking like one more thing. This is a Spitfire hoodie. I remember I actually got a shirt from this. I think that's fire, so I think I'm gonna get that. Guys, we just finished up at the Cool. I just got a bunch of dope Supreme stuff for you guys, and if you guys wanna win this, you're gonna have to follow CopBot on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and like this video. That's all you gotta do. And I'm gonna be giving away 4 to 5 items. I think it was 4 items that I got for you guys, 2 hoodies and 2 shirts. I still have the Box Logo crew neck giveaway happening. I'm just gonna announce the winner at 600,000 followers. If you guys want any of that, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to my channel, and follow CopBot. Their Instagram will be down below. Yeah, I'm gonna like probably go over this stuff later on more in depth. All right guys, so to quickly wrap up this video, let's run down what I'm gonna be giving away. So first item, we have this gray Madonna tee, size large. That's up for grabs. The second shirt we got right here is the undercover shirt, this white shirt. This is a size large as well. And then we have this Supreme like bubble font hoodie. This is like this is a large as well. So I guess these are all the same size. But we got this hoodie right here. This is up for grabs as well. And then the final thing that we're giving away is this Supreme Spitfire hoodie with the logo on the front right there. It still has tags on it. I think all these are new anyway though. But then with the big Spitfire logo on the back. If you guys wanna win any of these 4 things right here, make sure you do the 3 steps. Follow CopBot on Instagram, subscribe to my channel on YouTube, and like the video. And with all that being said, thank you to CopBot for helping me sponsor this video. And shout out to them for being the best Supreme bot on the market. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. It's your boy B Sneak. We're out of here. Peace.